Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. This is the DYU V1 e-bike.
We just got a special delivery today of 2 e-bikes and we're about to open them up for you.
Big shout out to Fwheel for sending us the DYU V1. Thank you, Jesse, for emailing us and getting a hold of us.
So we're gonna open up these e-bikes and check them out. Oh, I'm pretty excited.
Oh, I got a surprise in here.
Oh, cool. Oh, mine is.
What?
Yeah. Mine is also white.
Cool.
Hey, that's cool. Hey, let's get started. All right.
Are you opening that yet?
No, I'm just taking it. And I'm taking this off. You took that other box out?
Yeah, throw it.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
It has a minimal design and the battery is hidden in the frame. The wheel size is 12 inches. The seat has a wide and thick design and it's pretty comfy for long rides. One thing is it's not adjustable. It's got a folding handlebar. There's suspension, front forks, and a rear shock in the back. It's got built-in headlights and taillights, and the brake lights flash when you apply the brakes. There are options to have riding pedals, more like a bike. But since they sent us these bikes for free, we are very thankful, but ours only has the flat pegs basically, so there's no pedaling. There's a 36 volt brushless motor with a 10 amp hour battery with a max speed of 25 kilometers per hour, so that's 15.5 miles per hour. The bike that we got has one disc brake in the rear. There is a spot on the front wheel to add another disc brake if you wanted to put another one on, or if you bought the one that had two. With a full battery charge, you can get between 18 and 24 miles. The battery can be fully charged in around 4 hours. That's most of the information about the bikes. If you'd like to know more about the DYU V1, check the link in the description. We're going to take these out, ride them around a little bit, and hope you enjoy. If you'd like to see more about the 1,000 helmets, go ahead and click the link in our description below, and that'll send you over to their shop. They got a lot of helmets and some new models that just came out. They're pretty sweet. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and thanks for checking out Little House on the Highway. See ya.